Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down a bit and tap on General Management. Over here. Then select Samsung keyboard settings, and as you can see, some typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, tap on the switcher next to the chosen one, or just click on it and tap on the switcher over here. You can also scroll down a bit again, tap on more typing options, and manage all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!